Let's talk about how to create a community in Xplana. First, you'll need to log in. Whenever you do work on the Xplana website, log in using your special Xplana Curator login. After you've logged in, click on the Communities button, and then to create a community, click on the Create Community button. Give your community a title and then a description, and then select the type of community that it's going to be. In most of our cases, they will be academic communities, and then the type will be course, because we're offering a community for students and teachers of Greek civilization. At the moment, we'd like to set the permissions to allow everyone to join the community and everyone to contribute to the community. We can add a journal function to our community and also add the ability to add links to our community. We can select content, journal, or links to appear when the community first opens up in the web browser. I'll select content. We can add a thumbnail for our community. I've created a special thumbnail for Xplana communities, and I will add that. Xplana icon community. We can also set a color scheme for our community, do other things to change the appearance, but if you do not want to alter the colors, you can just click Save, and that will create the community. So we have our community created, and then in the left-hand panel you can see the various links, content, journal, links to various web pages, and then the settings. This is what we just worked on. If you need to change the settings, you can go back into this section and alter the settings. But let's get started and add a few pieces of content. Click on Content and click on the Add Content button. We can select all content. We'll search xplana.com for content. I'll just type in Greek civilization, hit the search engine, and so we can see all of the assets that Xplana has that deal with Greek civilization. And then you can click on various assets and they will appear in the right hand panel, and then those will be saved into your community. Just click on a few. Athens, the birthplace of democracy, video on the 7 wise men of antiquity. Then we can save our assets, and here they are in the content portion of the community. We can have journal entries as well. We can add a journal post. Enter a little. We publish that, and then we have our little journal entry. We can also add links to external websites, search the web, various sites that would be useful to members of our community. Perseus Project is very important for the study of Latin and Greek, so you may want to add a link to this. When you want to add a link, you need to click on the Links button, then under Actions, go to Add a Link, copy and paste the URL into the URL field, type in a name for the link, Perseus Project, and then give a description. And then, unless you have a special image that you want to enter, you can just leave the default as from file and then save and close. And now we have a link to the Perseus Project. If we want to add another link, then we have to return to Actions and go down to the Add a Link file.